recommend this to people who are willing to break into this data science field,
Okay.
and especially to them because the level of learning and the level of teaching was so that any fresher could probably pick it up and they could reach a level wherein they're able to implement it in their projects in professional work
Hmm.
environments. My name is Sreevatsan. I'm currently a technical lead, a software engineer, primarily a technical lead at Multicorer India Private Limited. I wanted to upskill my level of understanding of data and what all insights we can gain from the data, how it can be better engineered into things that can be used to produce better decisions for systems, better results, etc. So that was my primary goal in trying to attend a data science course by Intellipaat seemed to cover most of what I wanted in more detail as
Hmm.
compared to the machine learning parts of it, which were still covered in a certain amount of detail. But I felt that what I required would be better approached here, and therefore I wanted to take up this course. I am also looking to move into a more machine learning AI role within my company itself, and currently looking at internal job transfers if possible. This has definitely helped boost my credentials in terms of saying, hey, I have done the certification, and I have some projects that I have done, like small capstone projects and assignments and things in Python, which can show that I can work with data science and AI in a much more effective way, which also helped me understand certain concepts in a great deal of depth, especially the sessions we had with IIT professors. A couple of trainers themselves were also very interested in teaching us things from scratch, which really helped because these days, yes, there is a lot of module help available, and it's a lot of plug and play there. But understanding the underlying concepts helps me when I was introduced to LMS, for example, the learning management system. I found it to be very useful in terms of the number of assignments, quizzes, self-learning material that was provided.
Hmm.
So that even if, for example, since I am a working professional, there are sometimes, even though I take classes on weekends, there are some times where weekends are the only time I get to spend with family members and others. So I might not be able to attend a class. But the live classes being recorded and also supplementary learning material being available helped me manage this course more smoothly. So I would say that primarily my Python skills had improved quite a bit after that. And also coming to other EDA related tools and a module on Power BI, this
Hmm.
helped me understand how I can transform my data into sort of like business intelligence and overall being able to create better graphics and presentations for customers or internal customers. It really helped a lot. Overall, my feedback is that yes, the trainers chosen were very efficient in teaching us exactly what we wanted to know. Having the certificate that shows that you have been trained by professionals and the people who have audited the course and who have basically said, okay, yeah, this course is from IIT Roorkee. It helps overall with the optics of how it is received. I feel I had a relatively good experience with Intellipaat. Recommend this to people who are willing to break into this data science field,
Okay.
and especially to them because the level of learning and the level of teaching was so that any fresher could probably pick it up and they could reach a level wherein they're able to implement it in their projects in professional work
Hmm.
environments.